Hey guys, Blake of Vaca Valley Truck. Just wanted to talk about something that we understand as a business. We do a lot of work with businesses here in Vacaville. And one of the things that we understand is when you've got a deadline, no matter what, that deadline needs to be met. And so we do everything we can to make sure you meet that deadline. Right now I'm picking up from a very, very busy day where it was supposed to be relatively easy, but we had to call out. We were already short-staffed today, and it doesn't really matter because when we're doing business with businesses here in town, they've got a quick turnaround. That with a couple of customers that are non-fleet, non-essential customers, right? We still gotta turn and burn to get these trucks out. So we did a total of 5 trucks today. We started with a Toyota Tundra and we did a folding backflip cover, an MX4, which is their most popular cover. We also did some side steps on that guy. I had to start that job late because I didn't know that I was gonna be light staffed today. So I got on that job late, was able to play a little catch up, get us done with that. As soon as I'm pulling that guy around, as you see me walking around here, pull that guy out, put it where that Dodge is down there. No sooner did that happen than I've got my next job that I'm working on. Next job, pull in, get started on it, and it just stacked up and stacked up and stacked up. Those first 2 jobs weren't fleet customers, but if you come over here, you'll see we've got this Ford that we've got from Ron Pratt. They needed a bed liner and they needed it yesterday, so we were able to get that taken care of for them. This Ram's also from Ron Pratt, bed liner. It's very easy install, but it's still something that we have to take time and do, especially on this Ram. This Ram, we've got drop-in puck system. So we had to cut out, measure everything and cut out those pucks so that it would still work with this customer's 5th wheel hitch. So a little bit more time that, we didn't budget for. Then we have this Toyota Tundra right here. Long-time customer's been coming since before I was here, back when my wife's uncle still owned the business before he passed. Had trouble finding some keys for an old toolbox that he had. We were able to do a little bit of research. Took us a lot longer than we planned. And long story short, we got him some $7 keys, right? And then he's like, well, I've got another truck for my fleet. Can you guys get me a rack and a toolbox for it? So we had to scramble real quick, but we were able to get this rack mounted. This rack's a little bit different than other racks. And we also had to do this toolbox for him. He wanted to leave a little space so he could slide a ladder in there. It's a DZ crossbody or saddle box, if you will. We threw it in there for him, got it pinned down. We did have to get a different type of rack. It's still a lumber rack. It's still a racket lumber rack. But if you look, because the truck has this this Utilitrack system right here, we have to go with a different mounting application because we don't have access underneath the bed rails. So it was a lot of sticking and moving today just to get everything done. But it's nice because it always reminds us that we're a business, we're a small family business, and we've got deadlines, and so do our customers. We will move heaven and earth for our customers every chance we get within our power. If it's something outside of our power, unfortunately, there's little we can do. We're still gonna try and come up with a creative solution. But all in all, it was a crazy day. I'm glad it's behind me. If you guys need anything for your commercial fleet, or if you're just somebody that wants to throw some cool stuff on your truck, come see us, man. We enjoy doing the work. Thank you.